Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by importing logging and creating a named logger so you control scope. Set logger. Set level to the lowest level you want to capture, for example debug, and then add a handler immediately. A stream handler prints to console, and a file handler writes to disk. Once done, attach a formatter with a timestamp level and message so outputs are readable. Make sure to avoid logging. Basic config after custom setup, configure handlers first to prevent conflicts. Now you wire handlers to the logger. Set a console handler to info and a file handler to debug to capture verbose details without flooding the console. Create a formatter that includes time, level name, and message, then call handler. Set formatter, and logger. Add handler. Once those are attached, implement rotation with rotating file handler or timed rotating file handler to manage disk usage. Make sure to close or flush handlers on shutdown to avoid lost logs. At runtime, call logger. Debug, info, warning, error, or critical so your messages include level metadata. This helps filtering later. Once done configuring propagation, set child logger. Propagate equals false if you're handling output on the child to avoid duplicate entries. For long-running apps, enable rotation and monitor sizes. If things go wrong, check for multiple handlers attached accidentally, removing duplicate handlers or resetting logger. Handlers usually fixes repeated messages. Do that first when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.